Namaste, dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all good and healthy. I am very happy to teach you after Dasara holidays. And in the Dasara holidays, I have assigned one task or one homework. Recite the poem A House and make a video and send to me. Some of your students have made the video and sent to my WhatsApp number. You also please read the poem as many times as you want. Practice it without looking at the textbook. Make a video and send that to me. And in the last class, I have discussed third chapter, exercise part, page number 30. Understand grammar. So now I am continuing the same. In your textbook, page number 30, punctuation, H main question, punctuation, I completed it. Next part is understand grammar. Is, am, are. See, we use the doing word is for one thing or person. A fairy is in the garden. See the sentence, what this sentence is saying is, we use the doing word is for one thing or person. A fairy is. A fairy means one fairy. One person it is. So, a fairy is in the garden. We use the doing word are. A-R-E. Are for more than one thing or person. Lija and mother are in the garden. See, in the previous example, a fairy is in the garden. A fairy is single person. See, in this sentence, Lija and mother. Here two persons. Lija is one person, mother is another person. So, Lija and mother are in the garden. We use the doing word are for more than one thing or person, and we use the doing word is for one thing or person. We will come to know this in the next main question. I main question. Fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. And about this main question, two sentences are there. We use the doing word am with I. Am, is, are, they are doing words. We use am with I. I am tall. I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a boy. I am a girl. So, am is used with I in these sentences. So, next main question, I main question, fill in the blanks with is, am, or are. See here, O-R, pronunciation or A-R-E, the pronunciation is R. R, R. We must be careful while using ARE or OR, because both the words pronunciation is same. I think you know where to use is, where to use am, and where to use are. If you don't understand in those sentences, previous sentences, I will tell you the answer. Here the blanks are already filled by me. You need to understand. First sentence, Lija and Anne are sisters. See here, two persons, Lija and Anne. So I used are here, are sisters, A-R-E. Second sentence, my aunt is a pilot. My aunt is a pilot. Aunt, my aunt. Aunt is singular, one person. So, is a pilot. Third sentence, the car is blue. The car is blue. I used is here because the car is one thing. In the previous sentences, Lija and persons, two persons. Second sentence, aunt, one person. Whereas in this sentence, third sentence, car is a one thing. Car is nothing but a thing, non-living thing. But it is singular, one. So, is. The car is blue. Fourth, fill in the blanks. I dash 6 years old. We use am with I. So, I am 6 years old. Am is right answer here. Fifth, fill in the blanks. The fruits are in the basket. See, the fruits are here in the right side of these 5 sentences. One basket is here, and in that basket, grapes, 2 bananas, and 1 apple, 1 orange or pomegranate. Means 4 types, 4 kinds of fruits: bananas, apple, grapes, pomegranate. So 4 fruits, 4 kinds of or types of fruits are there in the basket. So it is more than one thing. So I used ARER in this fill in the blanks. Next topic is, when we talk about something that has already happened, we use was or were. Already happened. If it is happened previous, means few minutes back, 1 hour ago, or 1 day before, 2 days before, 1 week before. If it is happened, then we use was or were. Even what has happened last minute, that is also happened already. Okay, na? For example, Lija is in the garden. Lija was in the garden. The difference between these two sentences is, Lija is in the garden means Lija still there in the garden. Lija was in the garden means Lija is not there in the garden now. Lija was in the garden. Now she is not in the garden. That is was. The flowers are brown means the flowers in front of me or the flowers there are brown. The color of those flowers are brown. This sentence, the flowers were brown, means the flowers were not now present. At present the flowers were not there, but the flowers were brown. Yesterday or 2 days back the flowers were there in the plants, those were brown. It is happened. This is the difference between is, are with was and were. For example, in the next main question these doubts will clarified. J main question, fill in the blanks with was or were. First sentence or first fill in the blanks. It was lunch time. It was lunch time. It were lunch time? No, it was lunch time. Second, fill in the blanks. The children were in the playground. The children were in the playground. Children means more than one child is children. The children were in the playground. Now they are not. That's the meaning. Third, fill in the blanks. Some children were on the slide. Not all the children, some children were on the slide. Means not now, but before already some children were on the slide. Fourth, fill in the blanks. Some children were running around. Some children were running around. Fifth, fill in the blanks. Lija was wearing her new school uniform. Lija, one person. So, was. Lija was wearing her new school uniform. Sixth, fill in the blanks. She was very happy. She was very happy. Was used here because she means one person. She was very happy. We need to know. See, when we talk about something that has already happened, we use was or were. I think it's clear now. For single person or thing, we use was. For more than one thing or more than one person, we use were. And is, when is and are, when one person or thing, then we use is. When more than one person or thing, then we use are. If it is already happened, then we use was or were. If it is at present, then we use is or are. We will, even if you have doubts, then those doubts will be cleared when we look into the good grammar part. If we do, there are so many other examples regarding these is, am, are, was, were. So, our doubts will be clarified there. More and more examples, more and more clarification. Children, I hope you understand in this class. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Be safe in your home. Dhanyavad.